Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Marcus account is locked, don't worry, you can unlock it safely. Here's how. Open the Marcus mobile app and then tap Trouble logging in. Then verify your identity using your registered email or username. After that, follow the instructions sent through email or SMS to reset your password. Check your email. If you don't see your instructions there, first of all, try checking your spam or your trash folder. Or if you've sent in the phone number, check the SMS. Once you've received the verification code, put it in the app and then answer any security questions correctly to regain access. Make sure to answer them correctly so you won't have further problems. Once verified, you can log in and use your account normally. Entering credentials carefully in the future helps prevent repeated account locks. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.